In this video, we're going to add 3-digit numbers, and we're going to have some carrying or regrouping in this one. So if we have a problem like this that says add, and we have 375 plus 233. So let's break down the steps. Always remember your place values, okay? So these are the hundreds, these are the tens, and these are the ones, okay? So the second step is to add each place value starting with the lowest place value first. So you always start with the ones and move this way, okay? So let's add them up and let's use the correct colors. So 7 plus 5 is 8. And then 7 plus 3 is 10. So step 3 is remember to carry if any place value adds to greater than 9. So this place value adds to 10. That's greater than 9. That means we have to carry the 1. So let's carry the 1. And the 1 will go here. Okay? So now we can add 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So the answer to this is 508. Now don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Practice makes improvement. You're probably just one step away or one explanation away from understanding it. There's nothing wrong with repetition. So also, if you need a little bit of a reminder or extra help, I have links in my description to other videos that are like this. And don't forget to download my ebook, and you can follow this exact lesson in the ebook.